Join the Gloving Academy Discord. Here you can share light shows and lab with other glovers from all around the world. We have an awesome community dedicated to helping each other improve. This is the only place in gloving where you can get rewarded with free gloving gear just by being active and participating in public events happening every month. I have already given out a handful of recharge packs, and all you have to do is be active within the Discord. We've got workshops, concept labs, competitions, and a growing library of free resources available no matter what skill level you are. And if you would like for me to do a frame-by-frame video of your light show, you can submit your video on the Discord. We're only going to get bigger and better from here, so follow the link in the description to join. Dude, this is the future, bro. This is a light show in my 360 camera, and I could literally, like, move my camera around, and it's like you're getting a light show from me in 360. So this is something that I really want to start doing. It's the only way that I can literally give people shows that's close to reality, because I'm in Hawaii all the time. It's really hard for me to come out. But, like, yo, my Patreon will soon just have these VR shows. And I kind of want to do some, like, tutorials on it, because it feels like you're actually there. So if you're interested in that, like getting really deeper into like shows online, then yeah, join the Patreon. Anyway, I re-recorded it to a song using a friendly pit with VO over in WWG. I feel like I need to record to it with some sort of backlighting this time. I wish I could dim the light a bit more though. Length was 239, not my best. By no means, definitely a few hiccups in cleanliness. So I feel musicality should be the main focus on this one. I hope to hear more about storytelling in reference to character development. Thank you, Kevin. Of course, brother, of course. Okay, so yeah, musicality, storytelling. I'm interested in what Chief Mario means by character development. If it's like, if there's a specific character. If Damien's still in here, could you mind kind of clarifying that with me whenever you have time? Unless there is a character in this. Maybe there is. Maybe there is. Let's go ahead and watch it. Okay. Interesting intro, bro. Wait, this is the same show that Vio, the same song that Vio did, right? If I'm not mistaken? Yeah. Cool isolation there. Oh, it's like the reverse, dude. Interesting. I like it. Pretty clean, pretty clean. So maybe some moves could be a little bit cleaner. In terms of story though, okay, cool. I was about to say it. Let's see if it's more technical. It does feel like, it feels like normal gloving with the song. You know what I mean? Some crazy concepts. Sick. Good scales. It's a nice blend of flow and tech. Maybe the energy is not quite as accurate. I see character development. Okay. It's probably character development based off the character within the show. So, okay. This is gonna be a little bit different because I already know the song. With songs like these, I'm just gonna play the song in the background. With songs like this, you have to go all out. Like, it felt like there was a blend between normal gloving and storytelling when the song is complete storytelling. This entire song, like, it's not, you know what I mean? It's entirely free for you to do whatever you want. So I feel like you need to go just 200% on the storytelling and utilizing every single move with the storytelling. So it's similar to like Vio's submission, where I felt like maybe in Vio's submission, he was playing a lot more. Like, he was kind of like creating like a scene, right? Like a scene with like in a lab or something. Because quite frankly, the song sounds like you're in a lab doing something, or like you're doing botany or something, because there's like animal sounds. Maybe you're in the jungle. I don't know. You're like in a lab in a jungle or something. Yeah, it's like you're in a lab in the jungle. So it's kind of like these parts right here. It feels like normal gloving, like you would give a show to this with any dubstep song, right? So it's like you have to literally take every single one of this and like create a visual narrative with it. Like, so it's kind of like, you know, like these parts, like you're doing whip, like, no, you're not just doing whips. You're doing whips, but you're inspecting it. You're creating something with that whip, and then you're turning that whip into something, and like, you know what I mean? It's not just whips. It's not just whips. Combine whips with whatever something scientific or mechanical or whatever the song makes you think of, right? And then so it's kind of like, you know, I can go, it's kind of like right here, like these tuts, they're not just tuts, right? They can't just be tuts. It's like, they're like tuts that you are playing with, that you're experimenting with, or you're like looking at with, and you're like maybe experimenting with the mechanics somehow, and then you're putting it on a shelf and you're like, huh, okay, maybe that doesn't work. Okay, on my other hand, maybe it works with my other hand. And, you know what I mean? Like, it's not just tuts with this song. It's more. It's something more with the tuts. It's not just whips, right? It's like with this is a huge opportunity, right? There's a huge opportunity where it's kind of, I felt like miming was probably like a good call here, where it's like, okay, it's not just these digits, it's like pressing the digits, it's like remoting the digits in this technical way, right? This is just my suggestion based off, and you know, this might just be what I'm saying, the cliche way of tackling this song, but there is a clear theme, right? There's a clear theme within the song that I felt that may not have been projected within this show. Like that, like more of this. You know what I mean? Like here it looks like you're building on your hand to create those pinches. That's what I mean by you have to go like 200% all in into like the storytelling. Keep in mind, this is specifically for this song. Specifically for this song, because it's such a different song. It's basically a song for storytelling. Like this, look at this. Bro, this move is so dope. Like this is, okay, you got a square. Like what are you creating with the square though, or the rectangle? What is it? You have this giant iPad with your notes and you're like studying, I don't know, some virus or some jaguar or some virus jaguar, and you're like reading the notes, bro. Expiration year 5000. You know what I mean? Or like something, you know, is this an iPad? You know, you created a square And then that's it. That's the move. That's the move. You're doing these swirls. Oh, and then you do it again. You do. Oh, bro. Maybe I don't know something. Maybe it was I don't know, swirling iPad. Maybe you know, be sick, bro. If it was like a, you know, like a, and it's like a hologram, bro. You know, it's like a screen. It's like a screen. What am I doing? It's like a hologram, bro. Like, you gotta sell it. There's gotta be selling it. Even if it was just tech, you have to sell it in a certain way because of the theme of the song. Did I make a cat noise? That was not a cat noise. That was a hologram. That was a hologram. Like floaty movements. Like when you do your thingy-mabobs. Like even floating movements come at alive. You know what I mean? Just like it like that's a texture or like a movement that I felt would have been very really cool. You know, like even if you want to go, if you don't want to go like the video narrative, the visual narrative route, it's like this is such a great segment because it's like it's timed perfectly, right? Where it's like, okay, we have this, we have this king tutting segment, and we want to go into scales, right? Like, what if you like what if you created like the outline of the box, right? Created the outline of the box, but like you utilize the outline as like a scale or something. So, oh, I can't do that one. But like you utilize like your box within the scale or something, and utilize like cause and effect to like, I don't know. Damn, that looks like ass. Like this, okay. I don't know. I don't know. You know what I mean? I don't know, bro. Something like that. Like this moment right here looks like an autopilot, like the materia segment, just out of autopilot, you know what I mean? Like these movements, like there's so much potential in this segment right here. He's like a dragon looking thing with the screen, digital characters. You know what I mean? Like there's something about the movement where like there is something there, but it's got to go more like miming. What are you doing exactly? So yeah, man, that's pretty much what I got in terms of story time. I'm curious, Chief Mario, like what exactly was the character, or like what was going through your mind when you were going through the show? Because I would like to know, because like so I can watch it again and see like, oh, okay, that's what he meant. You know what I mean? I think that'd be super interesting. If you're looking for whites, batteries, skins, or any other gloving accessory, head on over to glow-leds.com and don't forget to use my code AlohaNation for 10% off.